Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. A quick reminder for all of you, our new batch for US tax practical training will start from 22nd of February. If you are still not joined, I'll attach the Google Sheet below the description. Please fill the form and join our classes. And after US tax practical training, we will move forward for the practical training for US accounting software QBO, and we are also planning to start MCQ practice for those who are appearing for enrollment agent. uh, as you know that in the enrollment agent exam, uh, all the questions are MCQ based, and the most difficult thing to interpret the MCQ. So we will solve the MCQ. Along with we will cover some important topic, and it will trust me, it will really very helpful for you. And in the practical training we will also cover the some uh, uh, important topic for the individual and corporate that I shared on the WhatsApp group. If you are not part of the WhatsApp group, then the link are in the description. And yeah, the main important thing for the fees, uh, we are charging for the US tax preparation training fees is 3,999. As you know that in the industry they are charged, few the educator and coaching institute, they are charging very highly amount, but right now we are not charging such amount. So 3,999 is only the 25% of their fees. uh, so if you want to join, please fill the Google form, and yeah, stay with us. We will help you to clear your exam. If we are also taking some doubt session those who are appearing for the EA. So thank you. If you want to join, please fill the form and join the class. Thank you.